Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Nissan Serena. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 26,811 original miles. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It features 4 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number right here that y'all are seeing, 43,149, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 26,811. All right. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you.